Hello drone enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel, Tech Basin. Today we're exploring the top 5 consumer drones of 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a seasonal pilot, we've got something for everyone. Let's take to the skies and discover these amazing machines. For those seeking an affordable yet capable drone, the Bwine F7 4K GPS drone is a solid choice. It offers impressive features at a budget-friendly price point. Its adjustable 4K camera features a large CMOS sensor for clear night scene shooting with 5 times zoom capability for detailed close-ups. It also offers GPS-assisted flight, which ensures stable hovering and precise positioning for smoother footage. It features long-range transmission, which maintains the connection with your drone even at impressive distances. It also has a wind-resistant design, which allows for stable flights in challenging weather conditions. And Follow Me mode automatically tracks and films the controller's movements. And lastly, it features a one-key return, which easily brings the drone back to its takeoff point with a single button press. The Bwine F7 offers great value for intermediate users who want reliable performance without breaking the bank. It's perfect for those looking to capture stunning aerial views on a budget. If you're new to drones but still want high-quality footage, the Holy Stone HS720E is an excellent entry point. It combines user-friendly features with impressive camera capabilities. It offers a stabilized camera that captures crisp footage, high-definition video, and photos. It also features a 46-minute flight time, which has 2 included batteries that provide extended flying sessions. And another feature is GPS-assisted flight modes. Features like Follow Me and waypoints make it easy for beginners to capture professional-looking shots. Its 5 GHz transmission ensures stable connectivity over long distances, and brushless motors provide improved efficiency and quieter flight compared to brushed motors. Another feature is Smart Return Home. It automatically returns the drone to its takeoff point safely if battery is low or signal is lost. And lastly, it has a foldable design. It's compact and portable for easy transport. The Holy Stone HS720E offers incredible value with its beginner-friendly controls, reliable GPS stability, and impressive camera capabilities. It's an ideal choice for those just starting their drone journey. Moving on to number 3 on our list is the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. For aspiring content creators or hobbyists looking for professional quality footage without breaking the bank, the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus is a perfect match. It features 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is capable of shooting up to 6K video with exceptional detail and color accuracy. Adjustable aperture f2.8 to f11 range allows for greater control in various lighting conditions. 40-minute flight time offers extended flying sessions for capturing more footage. Skylink transmission offers long-range control with stable high-quality video feed. Intelligent flight modes include Orbit, Dynamic Track 2.0, and waypoints for creative shooting options. 4-axis gimbal provides superior stabilization for smooth footage. And the last feature is HDR video. Captures high dynamic range footage for more vibrant and balanced images. The Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus combines exceptional image quality with user-friendly features at an accessible price point. It's an ideal choice for creators who want professional results without the complexity of higher-end models. Moving on to number 2 is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a technological marvel that packs advanced features into an ultralight frame perfect for travelers and enthusiasts alike. It features sub 250 grams weight. At just 249 grams, it avoids registration requirements in many regions. 4K 60 FPS HDR video captures stunning high-quality footage with rich colors and contrast. 48 megapixel photos provides high-resolution still images for detailed shots. 34-minute flight time provides for extended flying time with standard battery, up to 45 minutes with optional intelligent flight battery. More features include omnidirectional obstacle sensing, first sub 250G drone with 360-degree obstacle avoidance for safer flights. Active Track 360 provides enhanced subject tracking for dynamic shots. Vertical shooting. This feature provides a rotating gimbal that allows for easy creation of content for social media platforms. And last feature is a 10-bit D-Log M and HLG. This provides more flexibility in post-processing for professional-looking results. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a game changer in the ultralight drone category. Its combination of portability, advanced features, and image quality make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced pilots who prioritize travel-friendly gear. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Number 1 on our list is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This is the flagship consumer drone that sets a standard for aerial photography and videography. It offers several features. The first one is a triple camera system, which includes a CMOS Hasselblad main camera and 2 telephoto lenses for versatile shooting options. The next feature is its 4K 60fps HDR video, which provides stunning video quality with high dynamic range for professional-grade results. The next feature is the omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. It has advanced sensors that provide 360-degree protection against collisions. The next feature is its 46-minute flight time. This provides for extended flying sessions for capturing more footage. And more features is its 50 km HD video transmission, O3 Plus transmission system for long-range, high-quality live feed. Another feature is its Apple ProRes support, professional codec support for high-end video production. It also has advanced master shots. This feature offers automated flight modes for cinematic shots with ease. The last feature is its panorama mode. This allows you to capture wide-range angle views with automatic image stitching. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro isn't just a drone, it's a complete aerial imaging system. With its professional-grade cameras, a long flight time, and advanced features, it's the ultimate choice for serious filmmakers and photographers who demand the very best in aerial imaging technology. And there you have it, our top 5 consumer drones for 2025. From budget-friendly options to professional-grade systems, there's a drone for every skill level and need. And remember, to always fly responsibly and check local regulations before taking to the skies. Now don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Happy flying, and we'll see you in the next video.